Literally.
On 31st March, Mamata Banerjee in a rally said goons in Nandigram coming from Bihar and UP are being brought in. You had responded very strongly when a similar comment was made by TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu in March 2019. You had called it, quote, Prashant Kishore, derogatory language that shows your prejudice and malice against Bihar. You're from Bihar. Why are you silent now?
No, I'm not silent. You are first. What Chandrababu Naidu said was a personal comment against me. He said he called me a Bihari dacoit. He called me a Bihari dacoit, to which I responded that please focus on getting the support of your fellow citizens and not call people of Bihar dacoit or whatever.
But sir, generalizations are also being made by Mamata.
Generalization sometimes people do make. Avoidable, of course it's avoidable.
Why was it being made?
No, see, in Nandigram, in Pur Mednipur, when the elections were happening, there were large-scale problems and allegations of people coming from outside. Naturally, people who are coming from outside in Bengal for these quote-unquote mischiefs, they are not coming from Tamil Nadu. They will come from the neighboring states of Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar and UP. So that is what she said.
I started my career in Kolkata.
But her respect for people of Bihar is reflected in the fact that I am one of her key advisors.
Of course. And
so if she does not have respect for people of Bihar, why would she have someone from Bihar?
Why does she say people from UP and Bihar? Why does she not say people from UP, Bihar, Himachal, Assam? And
because Himachal and Assam are not. Himachal is not neighboring. Assam. Assam is, but Assam probably are not neighboring the.
So am I a Bahiragato?
No, you are not no one is Bahiragato till the. So long you are not presenting yourself as an alternative face in Bengal.
Alternative face?
Because they are presenting that they are the face in Bengal. People of Bengal. No, you have to understand this. Why are we saying Bahiragato? If BJP would have presented a Bengali face as a chief minister, there is no problem. Would have been no problem. The problem is they are saying vote in the name of Mr. Modi. We are saying he is not from Bengal.
Aruna Asaf Ali was the first mayor of Delhi after independence. She is from Bengal.
Yes.
So was she a
So you
Bahiragato?
could be. No, you could be. Delhi chief minister is not from
the
Delhi.
First woman chief minister of Uttar
You
Pradesh
could be, but
was from Bengal.
All we are saying is that they have not declared a Bengali face as their potential chief minister candidate. All they are saying, look at how defensive they are. Every day they are answering. Bengal ka Bhumiputra hi yahan ka chief minister hoga. If we would have been in the same situation,
aapko apatti hai?
No, we don't have any apatti. But why are they defensive? If they are so confident, if they don't, if they think that Bahiragato is not an issue, why are they giving this statement? Why are they giving this statement?
You're saying that is your victory. You're saying that is your victory that
yes,
they made this
statement. Of course, because they are so rattled on this Bahiragato issue. They are so rattled that none less than the Prime Minister.
You made it an issue. You just told me 5 minutes back it was
no,
not an issue.
I'm saying it is a natural issue. I don't have to make it. I don't have to make it. If she is a daughter of Bengal, election is about Bengal. It is an issue.
When Smriti Irani comes to campaign and speaks in Bengali from the rally, she speaks quite well. Is she Bahiragato?
Did you see how many people attended that rally?
Quite a few people attended her rally.
Did you see how many people?
Did you hear her speech? Answer the question.
See, no one is Bahiragato till the time they are not presenting themselves as an alternative. If I am from Bihar and if I start presenting myself as an alternative in Bengal, people will say that I am coming from outside Bengal. So long I am coming and working and doing something, that does not make me Bahiragato.
Jayalalitha ruled Tamil Nadu for so many years.
Yes, people voted. If people vote for
Bahiragato in Tamil Nadu.
Yes, if so long
she was not.
She was not till, but when she was.
Is Rajnikant Bahiragato in Tamil Nadu?
Yeah, I'm
giving you a fantastic example.
I'm coming to it, but Rajnikant has not been elected. Till the time Jayalalitha was not elected.
I feel.
Till the time they were not elected, the opposition is within their right to raise one of these.
Can I give you a counter view?
Yes.
And will you hear me on this, Prashant?
See,
the problem with you is Mr. Kishore.
No,
Mr. Kishore, the problem is you never let anybody complete this.
No.
I'm glad you're not an anchor. I'm glad you're not an anchor. My question is on the cultural sensibility. I'll give you two.
No, Mr. Adityanath is the Chief Minister of UP.
Yeah.
But he's not from UP. He's not from UP. He's originally from Uttarakhand. The question was not raised before the election because he was not presented as a face. But if he would have been presented as a face, people would raise that he is from Uttarakhand.
Which means you're saying Mamata Banerjee should never be allowed to do politics outside Bengal.
Not as a Chief Minister, definitely not.
No.
I'm not saying not to allow, but if she goes and tries to become the leader of Gujarat or
Yogi
Maharashtra as chief
Adityanath
minister,
is not trying to be the leader. He's only campaigning. That's
I'm trying to tell
No,
you that
Yogi
if Mamta
Adityanath
Banerjee goes tomorrow, if Mamta Banerjee goes tomorrow to
Smriti
Gujarat,
Irani going to project herself as the chief minister
no,
of Bengal?
but
Are you worried about that?
No one is talking about Smriti Irani.
I am
What
talking.
I am saying
I'm talking about
if
it. Is Nadda projecting himself as chief minister of Bengal? No.
if Mamta Banerjee goes to Gujarat and she presents that please vote for me in a assembly election, people of Gujarat are within their right to say that you are not from Gujarat.
If Mamta Banerjee goes to Gujarat and she says, please vote for my party, then is she Bohiragoto? That's exactly what all
she
the
will be.
BJP
Yes,
leaders
she will
are
be
doing.
asked this question that whether your party, she could
This
still be voted.
is an intensely parochial
No, it's not parochial.
and super regional
Not at all.
card that you're making.
Not at all. People are within their right to say that I am from Bengal or I am from Gujarat. It is for the larger public. It's for the electorate to make a choice. If after knowing this they still vote, then you rule.
Okay, so here's my perspective.
No
on
one
this.
is stopping you from fighting the election.
Here's my perspective on this. I believe that Bengal is more cosmopolitan, 1 minute, than you may have imagined or perceived. Now allow me. You can say you spent a lesser time in
No, I'm
Kolkata
not
than me.
saying.
I started my career here. I have family here. I give you one example, Prashant. Bhupen Hazarika, the legend from Assam, where you have family. When he came to Kolkata and he all his songs were sung in Bengal, the people of Bengal made him one of their own. So Bengal and Bengal's culture is truly very syncretic. My view is 45 years of politics aimed at distancing Bengal from Delhi have perhaps led you to falsely assume that the outsider card will work. I don't think in Kolkata, there is no city where people from all over are welcomed as much as they are in Bengal, like they are in Chennai or in Mumbai. Kolkata is not less cosmopolitan than Mumbai or Bangalore or Chennai.
You are making it very superficial. It's not a question
I'm
of...
making it
No,
superficial.
yes. It's not a question of whether a
I'm
city
just
or a
giving you a
state...
perspective.
No, I'm telling you why.
Yashwant Sinha was inducted
it's not
into
a
your
question.
party.
It's not a question of a city or a state being cosmopolitan or not. It's a question of this is one of the issue on which electorates, while making their choice, they have to factor this in. That's it. If after knowing this, they still vote for the party, it's fine. Then they rule.
Yashwant Sinha was inducted into your party. Jaya Bachchan was campaigning in your party.
Yeah, so what is the problem?
RJD,
They are not the
NCP.
face of. They are not the face of Bengal. They are not being presented as the potential chief
Is
minister of
Nadda being
Bengal.
presented as chief minister?
But they need to declare.
No.
They need to declare who is the chief minister candidate.
No, who's been positioned as? You're overreacting to it.
No, we are not. We are just saying that all those who are coming from BJP, they are making all these tall claims. They have not declared if chief ministerial phase that who will be their chief
Are you
ministerial phase.
overreacting to all this? Because
We are not overreacting.
Stakes are very high for you.
We have
Stakes are very high.
stakes are always high.